There are many dashcam products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dashcams from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Vantrue Dashcam. Rating 4.3. Best dual dashcam for Uber, rideshare, and Lyft drivers, picked by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR, etc. The front and inside cameras simultaneously capture the road front, 170 degrees, and inside passenger cabin, 140 degrees, in crystal detail at dual 1920x 1080p 30 frames per second, which is a great option for rideshare drivers that will need photographic evidence in the event some rowdy passengers do damage to their car. The interior-facing camera utilizes 4 IR LED lights and an f/2.0 aperture, which can handle low light conditions and ensures flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. f/1.86 glass lens front-facing cam and unique HDR video system automatically balance the light and dark areas of the video. Number 4. P1 Duo 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. Rating 4.6. Experience real-time previews of your videos, making it effortless to share your travel highlights with loved ones. Leverage the Wi-Fi and PelsiCam app to conveniently download, view, replay, and even edit your footage directly from your smartphone. Effortlessly control the dash camera front and rear with spoken commands, allowing you to focus on driving for safety. Just speak a command to turn on or off recording audio, capture photos, or lock videos, keeping your hands free for the steering wheel. Car Dash Cam automatically overwrites the oldest files, ensuring seamless recording even when the storage card is full. We offer a 64GB memory card, with the Dashcam capable of supporting up to 256GB card for extensive storage needs. Number 3. Samartc 5K Dashcam. Rating 4.8. This dashcam front captures every detail in low light with advanced night vision and image processing. Its high-sensitivity sensor, 6 glass lenses, and large f1.8 aperture provide vivid colors and clear images in dim streets or busy areas. The 150 degrees ultra-wide angle reduces blind spots, while WDR technology balances bright and dark areas for stable footage. The dash camera operates with loop recording, ensuring continuous footage even when the memory card is full. When a collision is detected, the G-sensor triggers, saves, and secures the video. It also provides a 24-hour parking monitor with collision and motion detection, along with time-lapse recording for constant surveillance in parking mode. Number 2. 3-channel 4K Dashcam. Rating 5.0. The Jones V630 Dashcam is equipped with a Super Starvis 2 HDR night vision sensor, delivering excellent night vision performance. Paired with an f1.8 large aperture, it enhances night vision, allowing the car camera to capture clear and accurate road details, even in low-light conditions, including license plates. The dashcam with GPS and speed tracking records 6 key GPS signals: time, direction, speed, satellite count, longitude, and latitude. Simply download the Jones app through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can easily download or view GPS and video data anytime. In case of an unexpected event, the G-sensor mode is automatically triggered, locking and generating a 1-minute file for safe storage, ensuring it won't be overwritten and can be easily retrieved later. Number 1. Dashcam Front and Rear. Rating 5.0. The S60 Dashcam delivers unparalleled clarity with a 2560*1440p front camera and a 1080p rear camera, with ultra-wide angle shooting from both front and rear cameras. Complete coverage of your driving experience. The S60 dashcam effortlessly navigates low-light conditions with its Starlight night vision sensor and 170 degrees ultra-wide-angle 6-layer glass lens, delivering clear and detailed footage even in challenging lighting environments. Even when the memory card is full, the eEager Car dashcam continues recording thanks to its loop recording feature. When the G-sensor detects a sudden collision, it locks and saves the footage. Additionally, the dashcam offers a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse recording in parking mode. Please note that a hardware kit is required for this feature. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.